So check this out. This is a interesting one. It's relatively new too, so look at this. Got the 4.3 liter. Had to take the head off because it's only missing on cylinder number dose. And look at it. You can actually see it from here that the cam has a groove in it. Look at that groove. That's not actual like regular wear mark. That's a groove mark. See the difference? Look at this other one. It's like shiny. Should look like that, now with a groove. I'm surprised the camera caught that. But either way, look at this. So this is what the lifter looked like. Jeez, I can't believe that thing failed like that. That's pretty gnarly. But yeah, it wore the cam a little bit, so we're gonna toss a lifter and see if it gets rid of the misfire. Stay tuned.